This method of the old gardener's grandfather is the most effective patent for getting rid of a mole from your garden. It is proven and 100% effective. If traps and other means of combating moles have not worked so far, this one will certainly work. It is naphthalene. Widely available in the form of a ball with a strong smell. The best will be the smell of lavender, which works not only on moles but also on other garden pests, including insects. Naphthalene will effectively scare away moles from the garden, but also martens, moths, cats, pigeons, ants, and aphids. In addition, the smell of lavender attracts pollinators. A mole can take its toll by ruining the garden. Remember, however, that it is under protection and cannot be killed. You need to push 2 to 3 ordinary mothballs as deep as possible into each mound and fill it up. You should do this every time a new mound appears. After a few days, the mole will give up the area of your garden and will not return for many years. This method is proven cheap and really effective, and above all, it does not kill the animal. It should also be remembered that the mole in your garden eat also pests that are in the soil. Precautions should also be taken because naphthalene is absorbed through the skin, respiratory tract, and the digestive tract. It irritates the respiratory tract, and for a sensitive mole it is so irritating that it becomes unbearable. It should also be remembered that it is very toxic to aquatic organisms, therefore it must not be used near water reservoirs or on plants intended for consumption.